The use of plants and herbs dates back many thousands of years. Archaeological evidence indicates that the use of medicinal plants dates at least to the Paleolithic, approximately 60,000 years ago. Written evidence of herbal remedies dates back over 5,000 years, where a list of plants and their medicinal usage was created. A number of ancient cultures wrote on plants and their medical uses. The Indians were one of the earliest to use Ayurveda for treating anything from the common cold to war injuries. Other cultures also used herbs to heal, such as the Egyptians, Greek and Chinese. There has been evidence to suggest that many of the herbal remedies used, in other cultures, would overlap and produce the same results. Seeds used for herbalism have been found in the archaeological sites of Bronze Age China dating from the Shang Dynasty. Over 100 of the 224 drugs mentioned in the Huangdi Neijing, an early Chinese medical text, are herbs. The Yellow Emperor, Huangdi, explained the principles of herbal medicine in the Neijing Suwen. This became the core understanding and principles of Chinese medicine. Although over the years many families have their own variations of traditional herbal medicines, there have been many clinical trials and usages of herbs for science and Western medicine that the active components have been extracted by pharmaceutical companies in order to produce medical drugs administered in hospitals and pharmacies. Traditional herbal medicines can be taken alongside Western medicine either as a supplement or for medicinal purposes. The principles of traditional Indian and Chinese herbal medicine coincide with the principles of acupuncture, yoga, reflexology and energy work. The treatments when used together give better results and offer more benefits to the patient. Home herbal remedies. Common cold. Common cold is a viral infection. Symptoms to look for: constant sneezing, blocked or runny nose in severe cases, sore throat, dry cough, headache, mild fever. Causes: viral infection of the respiratory tract. It can spread from an infected person to another through sneezing. Allergic disorders, change in weather. Natural home remedy using milk, turmeric powder and black pepper powder. 1. Take 1 glass of warm milk. 2. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 3. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 4. Mix well. 5. Drink 2 times every day. Natural home remedy using carom seeds. 1. Crush 1 tablespoon carom seeds. 2. Put 1 teaspoon of this powder in a clean cloth. 3. Tie the cloth in a bundle. 4. Hold this bundle close to your nose and inhale. Natural home remedy using ladyfingers. 1. Take 100 gm ladyfingers or okra. 2. Cut them into small pieces. 3. Add them to 1/2 L hot water. 4. Heat for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Inhale the steam coming from the mixture. This gives relief from dry cough and throat irritation. These remedies are based on the principles of Ayurveda, the ancient Indian science of healing, and are completely natural, non-invasive, and can be prepared at home. Consult your doctor if the symptoms persist. Refer to the terms of use.